Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build passive income with Macy's, beginner guide step by step clearly. To build passive income with Macy's, start by understanding the concept of passive income. Passive income is money earned with little to no effort on your part. A popular way to generate passive income is through affiliate marketing. Macy's offers an affiliate program that allows you to earn commissions by promoting their products. First, research Macy's affiliate program on their official website. Sign up for the affiliate program by completing the application process. Once approved, familiarize yourself with the tools and resources they provide. Select the products you want to promote based on your audience's interests. Create a blog or a niche website to showcase these products. Write engaging and informative content that highlights the benefits of Macy's offerings. Incorporate your affiliate links within the content. Promote your blog or website through social media channels to reach a larger audience. Track your affiliate links' performance using analytics tools. Adjust your strategies based on the data you collect to maximize your earnings. Explore additional passive income streams by creating digital products related to Macy's products. These could include ebooks, courses, or exclusive guides. Continuously update your content to keep it relevant and engaging. Stay informed about Macy's promotions and seasonal sales to leverage your marketing efforts. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and emails to build a loyal following. Over time, as traffic increases and your content matures, expect to see your passive income grow. Remember, building passive income takes time and consistent effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.